In a city. Uy, tama. Dapat less than 20 seconds.
Okay.
Kasi maka-copyright na eh.
Ay, hindi na. Yun na. Tama na.
Tama na. Hanggang Yukon lang. Hanggang Yukon lang, guys. Alright, welcome to today's episode. So, welcome to the show where things are definitely easier said.
Wow.
And I'm Drew. And together here we have Sam and Erica.
Hello.
And our topic for today is gonna be all about food. I mean, by this time, nabasa na nila yung title so they would know.
Fine.
Oo nga, that's how things work nga.
Oo nga. So,
kita pala yung title.
wala nang surprise.
Amateur podcaster, sorry.
Sorry. We're just figuring it out clearly along the way. So, ano ba? Food. Food is...
What did you eat today?
Huh?
What did you eat today?
What did I eat today?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Did you eat today?
Oo naman.
Okay.
Oo naman.
Okay.
Siyempre, di pwede.
Good job.
Yun pala dapat yung first question.
Okay.
Did you
Kumain
eat
ka na
today?
ba?
As a friend.
As a friend.
May ano eh. Kumain ka na ba? As a friend. For health purposes.
Every time.
And ano lang. Monitoring. Ano ba? Today, I had chicken. Fried chicken.
Chicken in a sound.
Hindi chicken in a sound.
Okay.
Betrayal.
Okay. Ikaw?
I had Brad.
Tinapay.
Tinapay?
Oh my God!
I had tinapay
Kinain ko
today.
tinapa.
Tinapay.
Hindi, wala ako.
Wala.
FOMO.
Okay.
Chicken lang ako.
Ba't nagtunapay ka?
Ang witty talaga ni Samantha today.
Some are on a roll today.
Siyempre. It's the tinapa.
Instead of fresh tinapa?
Tinapa, ano? Fish.
Anong fish?
Tinapa silog.
Silog.
Tinapa silog.
Yeah.
Sarap nun.
Yeah. It was good.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about a lot of food today kasi it has always been a topic. Like mga Facebook posts, listings, mga list articles, blog posts, whatever, vlogs na parang ano ba yung best Filipino dish?
Yeah.
Hindi dish, Filipino ulam specifically.
Yeah, ulam.
Then there's gonna be, I think yung two factions na very popular is sinigang, adobo, and then I think there's a whole other dimension na pwede nating ma-explore dito. And
may hot take ako dyan sa adobo. Mamaya. Lalabas.
Nako.
May hot take adobo. Oh no. This episode controversial? Maybe? I don't know.
Well, feel ko amongst ourselves din, meron mga differing opinions.
And that's fine.
We'll see.
And that's fine.
Hindi ako foodie pero I will try.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's about different perspectives. So, hindi naman dapat lahat from a foodie's perspective.
That's
Ano
true.
ba ang ulam? Sabi mo ulam is different from a dish.
Kasi
Viand.
Ano ba yung viand versus a dish?
According to my English teachers, ang translation ng ulam ay viand. But if you talk to English speakers, they don't call it.
What
is viand?
that?
Kasi marami na akong like when you interact with like foreign people, parang introduce mo like, oh, this is ulam, this is a Filipino dish. Like, ano ba sasabihin ko?
What's ulam?
Viand? And then they're like, what's viand? So, hindi na nakatulong yung translation. No?
Dish pa rin sasabi nila.
Dish.
Here we have a Filipino dish. Parang weird.
Yeah. Kahit sa menus nga like the word viand never comes out.
No.
Main course.
Main course nga
Yun yung
Pero grabe.
Entree.
Mains.
Main.
Pero, I mean, for us, we know na ulam is...
You know what ulam is?
Yun yung ipapares natin sa kanin.
Ganon? Requirement ba yun? Ulam kailangan...
In general.
I mean, in a rice nation.
Rice nation. Hindi, pero I think ulam is like that in general. Kasi if it's like, kunwari, sa spaghetti or noodles, it's sahog.
Hindi yan ulam.
It's sahog. It's not ulam. Like kung ano yung i-prepare mo with noodles. Or
So,
something.
pansit, hindi yun ulam. Diba?
I think
Pansit palabok.
dish siya
Hindi siya ulam.
Dish yun
Merienda siya.
So, I guess ulam.
Merienda siya!
Ulam,
ba yun?
i-prepare mo. Prepare mo sa
Kasi ulam is like rice and ulam, right?
Rice and ulam. Viand.
Oh,
Rice and viand.
Wait. Okay, so we're starting with definition of
Oo,
ulam.
syempre.
Definition of terms. So,
Siyempre, like scope and
Scope and
boundaries.
limitations.
Scope and limitations, the boundaries.
Uh-huh.
So, lahat ng noodles alone, hindi yun ulam.
hindi mo ako
Parang
personally,
hindi.
hindi ko tatawagin yung pansit as ulam.
Ako
Talaga.
din.
Kasi,
Ako din.
specifically kasi pansit is also, ano tawag dun?
Ano?
Parang rice, like,
Parang
carbs
carb
din.
din siya.
Carbohydrates din eh.
So, ulam
parang-
is yung i-prepare mo
Oo.
sa...
So, like bread and some ulam, pwede. May mga ganung na mga ano eh.
Oh.
So, hindi nga
combinations.
rice.
Pag bread
Pwedeng
and something,
bread and ulam.
parang palaman siya. Hindi siya
Okay na.
ulam.
Yeah. Pero I guess ulam, let us go with ulam na ano sa rice.
Okay.
Yun
Yung
yung-
constraint na lang.
Constraint
Constraint
natin.
natin
For
yun.
the purpose of this episode, we will say na yung mga pinipair with rice.
Feel ko maraming magagalit eh.
Na ulam is yung prepare sa
na-exclude
rice.
natin yung
Exclude
other
natin.
ulam.
Tinatry kong
Ano
isipin
ba yung
pero
mga
hindi naman
debatable
ako...
ulam?
Ano ba?
Yung pansit ba?
Yun lang naisip ko.
Mga arroz caldo, ganun. Hindi yun ulam eh.
So, kumain
It's
ka
a
ng
dish on its
pancit
own.
canton
Parang
for
champurado.
dinner.
Oh.
Hindi
Hindi
mo
yun
sasabihin
ulam.
ulam ang champurado eh.
Hindi.
Oh.
Hindi yan ulam.
Yeah. So
Standalone siya.
Oo.
Pero kasi technically pansit, pwede, may ano siya, may sahog siya eh.
Yeah, sahog.
Lagyan mo ng
but it's not
chicken,
ulam.
Atay.
Unless inulam mo siya with rice.
That's...
Pag may
ulam
nagsabi,
is not a dish. Hindi siya...
It's a mindset.
It's a mindset. Mindset ba? Hindi. So,
slot pala siya. So like, rice slot, ulam slot. Kahit ano ilagay mo doon,
hindi.
ulam.
It's not a state.
It's not a state.
Ulam is not a state, but a function.
A function of rice
Of
and
rice
something.
And, oo.
And something.
So pwede mo gawing ulam si pansit.
Ah.
Pero kaya nga sabi ko kanina, hindi ko siya tatawagin ulam kasi hindi ko siya i-prepare with pansit
Rice.
and rice alone.
Pero pag
And so, kung
pancit
ginawa
and
mo nga
rice,
yun, pancit and rice,
Pancit yung
napapapasok
ulam
mo
mo.
siya sa
Pwede mo-
function.
oo, pwede mo
Ulam
siya-
na yun.
oo.
oo.
Oh.
Are we
So it's
sticking with
not
that?
a property. It's not the property of the food.
It's not a property of the food.
It's derivative of,
The
how you
preparation.
use it.
Derivative. Teka guys, ano ba ang...
Sorry.
Sorry. Ano kami? Na, hindi pa to yung main topic guys pero na kami.
It's
Medyo
an integration.
It's an integration.
we are very challenged right now.
It's a coefficient of rice.
Kailangan alam natin what we're talking
may
about.
operative.
Operative.
There's hindi siya an ulam cannot exist on its own.
Hindi
Docs
ba?
tayo sa
Oh.
STEM people.
Meron tayo parang slowly nabubuo natin. Ulam does not exist on its own. Can neither be created nor
May loss.
be lost.
Third law of
So
ulam.
function nga siya.
Function
You
nga
use
siya.
it as an ulam.
Ulam.
Okay.
It becomes an ulam.
Okay, agreed.
So as we
Agreed.
go into the main topic of this episode, yun na lang natin.
That's a constraint.
Okay.
We pair it sa
Sige.
Sige,
Fine.
Alright.
see.
Alright.
I see.
Established na po ang ating mga definition of terms.
Good scope.
So now I want to present two ways for us to
Okay.
categorize, to
Right.
rank. Hindi lang linear. Hindi one axis. We're talking about two axes here. Like it's a
2D.
2D as a scatter plot.
Wow.
Ano pa ba other?
Wow.
Core plot.
Ano pa ba other scatter plot?
Scatter
X and
plot.
Y axis.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we want to look at mga ulam. Okay na tayo sa ulam ha.
Okay na.
Klaro na.
Define.
Gusto natin tingnan yung ulam in terms of accessibility and
Okay.
popularity.
Let's go.
Ano yun?
Because accessibility in terms of madali ba siya mahanap, available ba siya
In restaurants, ganon.
in food establishments in general. Hindi na parang ito lang yung mga sinuserve ng specific type of restaurant. Hindi tayo magbabanggit. Walang free
walang ganun.
Walang free promotion.
Not for free.
So parang, parang gusto ko ng something.
yung parang, tapos
Madali
parang
ba
bababa ka
siyang
lang,
maano?
lalabas ka ng bahay mo,
Okay.
you get to
You can
find that.
Okay.
Oo. Versus, yun, that's accessibility. Versus yung parang hindi mo talaga sasadyain mo. You have to go to places pa just to get that.
Hanapin mo pa siya.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
You go for a trip.
Okay.
to get that. So you would classify that as super inaccessible or hard to reach.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the first dimension is accessibility.
Accessibility. The next is popularity. Yung parang naano natin na, okay, this is a flavor profile na alam natin popular na for a lot of people. Like, they generally accepted, generally like na.
Ito yung dadalhin mo talaga sa mga party.
Like,
I'm sure everyone would like it.
Or hindi siya
parang safe food. Safe food. Safe bet.
Safe to bring sa mga housewarming. Ganon.
Fiesta.
Fiesta.
Ay, sarap naman.
Anyway, so that's I'd like to see it that way. Kasi parang hindi ba parang a food would be more popular? Parang gusto ko na makita na meron bang trend na mas magiging popular yung food if mas accessible siya. Or are there certain food pala na kahit hindi siya popular, hindi siya accessible, sobrang patok pa rin. Like it's a flavor profile na generally accepted pa rin.
Okay, itest natin yung theory.
Yeah, we got a theory.
Is it true?
A theory.
Is it so?
Is it so?
Therefore,
the more accessible, the more popular an ulam,
the more accessible an ulam,
the more
accessible siya, mas popular siya.
Directly proportional ba?
Directly proportional.
Ang independent variable natin ay yung accessibility.
Okay.
Hindi natin alam if dependent ba yung...
A function of its accessibility ba yung popularity niya?
We shall see.
We shall see. Alright. Grabe. This is a heavy episode.
This is highly technical episode.
May prerequisites to. Kailangan mga math 15.
Alam Dami nating alam dito.
Ang mathematical pala nito.
Question, may chef ba sa atin?
Ay,
wala. Ang tanging accreditation po namin ay we eat food.
We eat
Marunong
food.
ako
Tao po kami.
I can cook.
We love Filipino food, I guess. I don't know if that's true for
Hindi ako marunong gumamit ng microwave.
Isn't that hindi naman yan it's okay.
Hindi ako marunong gumamit ng microwave.
Para sa'yo, I think, yung mga accessible, medyo last Q na siya.
We're gonna see,
Hindi pala siya ganun ka-accessible.
Yun yung credentials ko.
Okay. Alright. So, we gotta start. Let's start with the
Staples.
By staples, makita sa karinderya. Okay.
Wait.
Sam.
Tour of the plot.
Tour
of the land.
Okay, go Sam.
Okay, so, yung independent variable natin, yung x-axis ay accessibility. So, rare dun sa negative, common left side, tapos common sa right side.
Okay.
Tapos up and down, up ay crowd pleasers.
Popular.
Crowd pleasers.
Popular.
Tapos bottom is niche. Yeah.
So specific group lang, people would appreciate that kind of
Di ba may IG story template na naging popular for a bit, yung mga foods na picky eater list.
There.
Diba? Tapos iti-tick mo yung hindi mo kinakain, ganon. Yun yung niche.
Oh, right. Pwede.
Niche.
Pwede. I mean, if we could only collate yung mga results doon.
Yung classic examples doon, balot, atay.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Diba? I think that counts. Para nasa my niche.
So yun yung niche flavor. Okay.
Crowd pleasers would be, adobo.
Okay, go. First example, adobo. Anong adobo?
Do we start?
Game na.
Pwede.
Example, syempre.
Sige.
Start.
Let's bring out yung mga food, mga ulam na alam natin. Tapos, we
start
plot
easy.
it. Start easy. Easy
adobo
round.
daw.
Adobong
Adobong
manok.
Well, I think may mag-change ba sa variables
kung ano? Na nito.
Okay.
Wala. I think both are accessible.
Sige,
kasi
adobong either.
Pork and chicken are quite...
So, pork and chicken are the same. Adobong pusit is different.
Ay.
Okay. Doon tayo sa pork and chicken.
Hindi pala
pork and
ganun
chicken
kadali.
adobo.
I think it's definitely accessible. Accessible. Kasi, and very accessible yung ingredients to make it. In that sense.
Okay, it's very accessible. So, nasa
garlic, toyo,
right-hand
vinegar.
side. Yeah.
Okay.
Parang household
very common.
staples
Sa
in
bagay,
the Philippines.
super dali lang siyang magawa or ma-order.
Yeah.
Madali siyang i-manifest.
Madali siyang i-manifest. Madali siyang materialize.
Madali siyang i-develop.
Crowd pleaser?
I'd say so.
Oo.
Meron ba kayong kilala na ayaw sa adobo?
I do know some people. Just because of the sour profile.
Masyadong matoyo, ganon.
Or Or yung vinegar. Not a fan of the vinegar taste din.
Si adobong manak.
So, hindi siya like max crowd pleaser. It's like game from 0 to 100.
Hindi ko mga 85.
80 is a good number.
80, okay.
80s.
80s music.
Okay.
Ayan na.
Tapos sa common, feel ko mas mataas siya
ito yung kita mo talaga to sa mga karinderya, sa mga food.
Like
as in restos din, bahay.
Like 100. Top, most common.
Most common.
Hindi ba siya yung pinaka-popular? Hindi ba siya yung go-to?
Yeah.
Alam ng lahat?
Yeah, I think
I can argue that.
accessible siya. And you don't need special utensils or equipment to make it. You just need a pot na. No? So,
Okay.
So kahit sa condo, kahit kaya siya magawa. Hindi mo kailangan ng oven, grill, or whatever.
Totoo. Okay, magandang example yun.
Good start.
Basic example.
Next up.
Lagay ko siya.
Challenge ko naman, ano yung sobrang nasa opposite end? Yung niche na nga.
Are we establishing muna?
Parang extremes.
May na tayo, para meron na tayong
bounds.
Bounds. Okay.
Para may idea tayo. Yun yung madali di ba?
Rare and niche.
Rare and niche.
Oh my God, meron ako sagot.
Ano?
Pero super extreme ata na to. Baka mas cue niya yung graph natin.
Okay lang, try lang.
Sa Ilocos, merong adobo din siya, but it's crickets.
Adobong cricket?
Okay.
Rare and niche.
Adobong crickets.
Masarap ba?
Masarap.
Pero paano siya like paired din with rice? Ganun yung ano.
Yeah.
Hindi siya kasi may iba na parang
snacks.
delicacy
Pulutan,
ganun.
So
with
it
rice.
with rice. Yeah.
I think, sige.
Kaso sobrang extreme ba siya? Wait, ang constraint natin sa i-include natin ay exotic food included? Yes or no?
I think pwede. Like basta the limits is within our imagination.
Okay. Constraint
our
is it has to have, like, meron nang nakatry sa atin.
Okay.
Yun na lang.
Yun na lang.
Okay.
Yeah.
May nakatry.
Okay, so the opposite end.
Pero pag nandun ka, rare ba yun?
Yeah.
Kahit dun mismo, rare siya.
Oo. Kasi seasonal siya, tapos mahirap i-harvest, tapos
i-gather mo pa yung mga cricket, no?
Yeah. It's hard.
Yeah. Tapos i-prepare mo. Mahirap din siya i-prepare kasi kailangan mong tanggalin yung like stuff.
Yung pag-cleaning process.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. Yung sinabi mo kanina, yung adobong pusit.
Adobong pusit, parang feeling ko like, well, it's mid.
Parang everything reduced popularity.
Pero medyo crowd pleaser pa rin, medyo. And basta nasa siya, crowd pleaser and common, pero hindi siya as crowd pleaser and as common na adobong.
Definitely. Like,
feel ko redundant
yung protein pa lang.
May adobo na so I think no need to bring it up. Yung mga isa pang though ngayon yung mahirap are the other ends, the other corners.
Sige lang. We don't need to, let's just go by,
enumerate, tas isa-isa. We can adjust.
Sinigang na general.
Sinigang na baboy.
Common
and accessible.
Ano yung rare na sinigang? Feel ko mas interesting.
I would make sinigang, ano ba, rare na sinigang?
Sinigang na is rare?
Hipon. I mean, mas relative to. Just because
relatively.
Mas hindi accessible si hipon.
Pico, general ba yun na seafood fair?
Oh, you know what? Hindi siya as crowd pleaser just because maraming allergic.
Right. Hindi siya as not as safe
crowd pleaser. For the crowd.
Okay.
Pero
marami ring allergic nakakain pa rin nun
Kung masarap. Sinigang na, wait lang, one by one. Sinigang na pork first. Sinigang na baboy is more crowd pleaser than adobo. On the vertical axis. Accessibility feel ko less Mas marami siyang ingredients
Yeah, I was gonna say the same.
Hindi siya kasing dali.
Using the same standard na madali
same
ba?
Argument.
Same argument. Okay.
So,
lower accessibility.
Lower accessibility, higher
just
crowd
because it's more
pleasing.
complex.
Okay.
Complex.
Oo. Kasi,
Higher crowd pleasing.
I guess,
okay.
siguro nabawasan yung complexity dahil di mo na kailangan maghanap ng mga pampaasim. As in, sinigang mix
may sinigang
is the way.
mix na.
Okay.
Oo.
Anyway, but
I
still,
think we're playing it safe pa eh.
Hindi.
Adobo, sinigang.
I think kasi we have to
Base
build,
muna.
we have to build the base.
Okay,
Tapos,
Parang
explore na tayo.
benchmarks.
Sige.
Oo.
Okay. So, in terms of crowd pleasing, higher, lower? Mas maraming may
Kesa
gusto ng
adobo?
sinigang?
Ooh.
I think. Well, that's my perspective.
May mga maarte sa gulay eh.
That's true.
Oh, that's true.
That is true. So, same. Sige, we can put it at the same level. Same crowd pleasing, lower
Yeah,
accessibility lang.
Hindi naman
No,
to
I think
final answer.
lower
Crowd
crowd pleasing. Yun ya, yung gulay na part plus.
Right.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Lower
lower
siya than
both.
A
lower
notch
both.
Just by a
lower.
bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but a bit
A
like
bit.
20%, 10%.
20%. Okay.
20%.
Okay. So, let's put it here.
There. Yeah.
Yan. Meron namang tayong eraser function.
Oo.
Hindi naman yan final answer.
This can change.
Oh,
Let's see
our
how.
opinions can change.
Yeah,
We are
opinions
capable
na. We are
of
capable.
growing.
Because
Maglalagay
we
ako
are
ng legend,
humans.
ha?
We are humans.
And we can change and grow.
Oo.
As long as we're alive.
equals pork.
Sana naman.
Sana
C
naman.
equals chicken.
Ano?
May legend.
Akala ko
B
nagtitik ng
equals
order eh.
Ay, sorry.
Isang C2 po.
May legend kasi para may shortcuts yung ano.
Okay, legend.
Okay, legend.
Legend. Okay,
Okay,
sinigang adobo yun, no?
Oo.
Sinigang and adobo. So, sinigang na pork yung less than adobo. Sinigang na hipon, where do we put it?
Para tayo nag-order. Can I just say, para tayo nag-order sa isang restaurant.
Sinigang na hipon, ma'am.
Ma'am.
I repeat ko lang po yung order nyo. So, isa pang...
Hindi. Definitely lower accessibility. And then lower crowd pleaser just because of the,
Okay.
ano.
Pero maraming allergic sa hipon eh. Hindi ko siya na-encounter.
Not just yung allergies. Yung ayaw
Magbalat.
magbalat.
Uy, ako yun.
So,
Ikaw yan?
hurdle din yan.
Girl.
Hurdle.
Sobrang, hindi ako allergic sa, less about the seafood. Allergic ako sa paghimay.
Oh my God.
ng mga, like, krabi.
Oh my God,
clam,
what?
kahit
I
anong
love
clam,
it.
kahit anong crustacean. Ayaw ko. Kasi ang hassle niyang
Talaga?
kainin.
I
Yeah.
like.
Ang dami-dami mong kailangan gawin bago ka makakain.
Ay,
Ang konti lang.
Gusto ko yun.
Ang konti lang
Kasi parang feeling ko pinaghihirapan ko
Effort to gains ratio. Not
maliit.
good. Not looking good.
Lalo na yung crab. Kasi sobrang high effort. Tapos ganun
High effort, tas
yung
ganun
mo.
lang. Parang I'd rather not.
Okay. So lower crowd pleasing, lower
I am not pleased.
accessibility.
Yeah. Kasi may -1 na eh. Erica is not pleased.
Hindi, I'm not pleased.
Okay.
I'm just
Sino?
gonna draw it within the same line.
Yeah.
Wrap down both.
Dapat may color, ka na eh.
Yun nga
Color
eh.
dimension.
Ooh.
Ang dami ng dimensions.
I think 2 dimensions is enough for this episode.
For my brain.
for our brains. Okay.
Okay.
I want to sinigang, adobo, ang iba pa?
Kanina, balot.
Balot.
Balot,
Wait,
ulam ba siya?
Ay, nako. Wala siya sa
Okay,
Wala,
never
wala.
mind.
Wag natin-
Sorry.
Another episode, guys. Maybe we can
We'll have a balot episode.
No, we can have like Filipino
Food.
Non-ulam.
Filipino food.
Excluding
Hindi lang
ulam na yun.
Oo, wag na tayo mag-ulam.
Exclusive.
Snacks. Filipino
Or-
snacks.
Or,
Merienda.
snacks.
Merienda tier list. Oh my
Kasi,
God.
pwede na yung pansit. Very
next time
popular
na yun.
namin.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I challenge. I want to bring up.
Yes.
Oh.
Dinuguan.
Oh my God!
Okay. So context is we had a discussion about this before. Offline.
Oh.
Actually, one of the inspirations into having a podcast. Kasi sabi namin, grabe, ang dami nating alam tungkol sa mga ulam. Pero hindi namin na-record. So, we have some notes pero never siya na fully flesh out. So, this is the real deal.
Dinugaan ata yung origin natin before. It's
dinuguan was the center of the universe.
Oo.
Wala ako dun eh.
Okay.
Kwento niya sa akin.
Dinuguan is the center of the universe because of the center of the axis.
Of the universe.
Everything revolves around dinuguan.
Hindi, Cubao yun.
Cubao.
Center of the universe.
Oo. Hindi.
All roads lead to Cubao.
Sabi namin, dinuguan is the center just cause hindi as accessible yung niya, yung
ingredients.
Okay.
Pero it's a flavor or dish na nako-commercialize na slowly. Dinuguan sa
anywhere.
Ayoko magbanggit ng resto.
Sorry,
pero yung
not for free.
yung may ganito. Yung may
Talaga?
meron silang dinuguan.
What? Fast food na yun, no?
Teka, I want to know your personal taste. Ako, I love dinuguan.
I also love dinuguan.
Okay,
If personal,
Yeah,
personal
yeah.
preference.
Pero among the three, I feel like it's a crowd pleaser if this is our crowd.
Hindi. Understood naman. Kasi maraming may ayaw di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi it's blood.
Yeah.
Blood. Or yung dinuguan na walang laman. Yung more of intestines.
Laman loob.
Laman
May
loob
laman
siya.
loob.
Hindi yung, kasi may dinuguan
Meron
na
nga.
pork. Kasi yung...
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, generally dinuguan, I feel like people like it, but it's not too niche. So sa
argument
Axis
nyo,
pa lang.
Gitna siya.
Kasi
gitna
nakikita
siya.
mo rin siya sa mga kalendarya.
Okay. Yun yung sa
Yeah.
accessibility. Tapos crowd pleaser, feel nyo equally divided siya sa those who like it, those who don't. Okay.
So like 50%.
50-50 siya. Actually, baka nga, like kung survey,
See?
i-survey natin yun
In this green resto, in this green fast food resto, that we will not mention.
So kailangan natin siyang excuse sa accessibility
Hindi.
kasi may...
Hindi
pa rin.
Yeah.
Okay. Sige.
Actually,
Let's
ngayon,
figure out
gusto ko
origin.
dinuguan. Hindi, parang iisipin ko pa saan
Kung
ko siya
saan
makukuha.
Oo nga. Oo nga.
Okay.
Tsaka hindi siya madaling gawin sa bahay.
You need, kasi if wala kang pressure cooker, matagal na
Hindi lang
pagpakulo
siya
yan.
yung, gagawa akong dinuguan today.
Hindi siya adobo or sinigang levels
Tapos
na
yung
parang
paglinis, it's a tedious process. So,
Okay.
That's why we can.
Origin.
Okay, sige.
Origin. So for this, the center of our
universe.
Our system.
The 0-0 point.
The 0-0 point.
In our Cartesian plane.
Grabe, dami na nating na-invoke. Na-reveal na ang mga stem roots.
Stem roots natin. Stem na nga roots pa. Ano ba talaga? Joke.
Yeah.
Clearly not botanists.
Clearly having identity crisis.
Okay.
So, we have dinuguan. Kare-kare. Kare-kare. Come on, we gotta speed through this.
Okay.
Kare-kare.
Personally, I don't like kare-kare. I find it really weird. Bakit naging ulam yung peanut butter? Ang weird nun.
Fair. Hindi ko actually alam kung marami may gusto ng kare-kare.
Also texture. Yung
yung creaminess niya.
Not just yung oxtail.
Yung sahog, yung ulam.
Yung sahog yung talaga. Hindi not the commercialized kare-kare na
like
laman na
authentic.
Parang dinuguan. Yung authentic kare-kare ganun.
So, same level as...
Ano yung authentic?
Yung hindi siya lamang. Oxtail.
Okay. I think hindi yun gaanong accessible.
Skin or something, ganon. Yung may laman loob din siya yung tuwalya.
Oo.
Yeah.
I'm learning.
Ano yung English nun? Wala lang.
Towel.
To be fair, mukha naman siyang towel. Kaya siya tinawag yung
tuwal.
True.
Ganun talaga. Oxtail talaga yung Pero oxtail, that's it.
Okay. Okay, so yung
Gut
sahog
feel,
niya is not...
Is it
less
above?
ba?
Is it above the mas niche siya o mas crowd pleaser siya?
Parang baka nasa din.
Konting crowd pleaser. Tatanggapin ko yun.
Pwede.
Because,
it's more on the crowd pleasing side.
Yeah,
Tapos more accessible din.
To make sa bahay.
Than dinuguan?
Pwede.
I'd say I can find more.
Wala akong opinion dito.
Hindi
ko siya hinahanap.
Neutral.
Yung ko talaga is, yung sa mga karinderya na napuntahan ko.
Meron usually
May kare-kare.
Meron din silang dinuguan
Meron din
So same, gusto niya.
Pero
sa
mas crowd pleaser yung flavor profile.
Pero so sa y-axis mas taas siya. Sa x-axis, same sila.
Yeah, I'll put it same.
Okay. Same accessibility.
For now.
Same accessibility.
Okay, magandang
okay.
example
Mas crowd pleaser. Whoop. Ngayon natin siya. Kare 2.
Okay. Hanap ako. Do we consider sisig? Sisig as ulam? Yes.
Oo, ulam siya.
Sisig,
Big
sige.
ulam.
Oo, nasa...
Classic sisig.
Authentic sisig. With laman, with the brains.
With the brain. Pig brain.
With the brains. With mayo, no
mayo.
mayo.
No mayo.
We're gonna insult a lot of people. Okay.
Hey, mayo was a sub for the pig's brain, right?
The creaminess.
The
ganun
creaminess
yun?
of the pig's brain.
So that's what they use together with yung pig, the usual pork na ano.
Talaga? Akala ko parang, wala lang. Like, gusto ko lang ng mayo.
No.
Substitute siya.
Yeah.
Well,
I learned.
Even
para
egg
maging
nga.
creamy siya.
Even egg is a big thing.
Hindi siya
Maraming
nasa
mati-trigger.
authentic
Talaga?
sisig recipe.
Akala ko sobrang classic siya. Na kailangan may egg.
And that's fine kasi may mga ano na people had to adapt. Na how do they
Does it
maintain
matter
the same
what's authentic?
It matters sa accessibility
natin in our scales. In our scales.
Okay.
But then maybe we can consider it accessible kasi kahit anong ingredient. Parang madaling isab.
General sisig ba to? Basta sisig.
Basta sisig.
Pwede.
Sisig, sige. Let's just...
Any sisig? Basta ma-consider pa rin siyang
I
sisig.
think it's a more of a crowd pleaser, honestly.
Yeah, it is.
More crowd pleaser yan. But not as crowd pleaser as adobo. Hindi yan.
Talaga?
Hindi.
Talaga? Parang feeling ko, or baka personal opinion ko lang yun.
Oo.
Parang...
Kasi diba ano siya, like, pero hindi. Okay. You know what?
Feel ko nag-evolve siya eh. Mas
Nag-evolve.
nagiging, ano na siya, like, she's becoming a popular girl.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah, may mga oyster sisig. Nag-evolve.
Ay,
So,
It's the style of cooking. Ganun.
could be same level as adobo in terms of crowd pleasing.
I don't know.
Same as sinigang?
I don't know.
Sinigang was below eh.
Medyo bold statement yun, na magka-level sila ng sinigang
Ng
and adobo.
crowd pleaser.
Oo.
Talaga?
Characteristics.
So, dapat pala tinaas natin si adobo tsaka sinigang kasi sila na yung pinaka-crowd pleasers.
Hindi natin i-adjust sila for the new kid on the block.
No, we will
so,
not.
less crowd pleasing.
Yeah.
In
Kasi
terms of common...
Especially yung the mayo texture, tapos especially kung pig's brain, hindi talaga siya
Okay. Considered. Tsaka yung tenga ng baboy.
Pero accessibility could be the same.
Pwede.
It's
same as shrimp? Same as pork.
Pork, hindi shrimp.
Yeah. Sisig is a very naman.
Common. Dali lang gawin. Okay. So, same
Madali ba siyang gawin?
accessibility.
Sa bahay?
Yeah. Same accessibility, less crowd pleasing.
Maybe a bit lesser accessibility.
Okay. Pwede naman. Pwede.
Okay.
I'll allow it.
I allow.
I want to bring up mas gusto ko mag-bring up ng mga niche things.
Okay.
Like, pili kayo, atay or dila?
Dila. Lengua.
Lengua. Sorry, dila.
This was part.
This was
part.
Lengua is niche.
Lengua.
Niche yan.
And not accessible. It's like on the rarer side. Kasi wala mga kabili ng lengua sa grocery dito sa Manila.
Oo, makakabili ka ng dila.
Talaga? Sa supermarkets?
Oo.
Pero minsan
rare.
Rare. Limited stocks.
Limited. Okay, so
Until
limited
stocks
edition. So
limited
nasa
edition.
siya?
Limited edition.
Rare Pokemon.
Okay.
Oo.
So, this is our first na nasa left side.
Rare.
A bit more
Tas
rare.
niche din siya. Like, for sure, wala, less than 50%. Less than 50% of the population.
Sir May, do you like lengua?
I like lengua.
I like lengua.
I like lengua.
Bayan, ang pangit naman ng subset
Hindi,
na to.
I like
Hindi
lengua,
tayo
pero I also know why it's not it's not popular.
Yeah.
Why is it
Naintindihan
not popular?
ko.
Bakit?
Naintindihan ko. Texture talaga.
Texture
talaga.
Na tsaka may aftertaste siya.
Oo. Depende rin sa luto.
Depende sa luto.
Ko. Pero, yun. I would say definitely in the left side, but...
Left and bottom?
Hindi siyang pinaka-rare, pinaka-niche.
Yeah.
Pero andun siya.
Close to origin.
Close to origin, yeah.
Close to origin pero negative.
Close to dinuguan.
Sa mga
third
siya,
quadrant.
negative 2 yung X, tas yung Y should be like around...
Ano ba yung max natin? 10?
10.
Okay.
10 na lang natin para...
Oo.
Okay. Ganon din. -2, -2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not as...
Hindi siya sobrang niche, siya sobrang rare. Pero...
Yun naman. Kinda in the same region as dinuguan. That's why andun siya.
Okay, promising.
So,
Look, mayroon na tayong
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Roughly, meron na siyang kind of correlation.
Teka, gusto ko challenge.
Maghanap tayo ng ito.
Gusto ko...
Crowd pleaser na rare?
Crowd pleaser na rare or ano yung niche
common
na...
niche na accessible?
Niche
balot.
na...
Accessible.
Joke.
Scramble. Pero hindi yan ulam. Pero yun yung idea.
Around that.
Wait. You'll consult the mga list of...
Joke. Niche ba yun? Crowd pleaser nga yun eh. Ano pa ba? Bulalo.
Crowd pleaser na inaccessible. Kasi yun yung classic.
Right.
Tara, Tagaytay. Bulalo. Or qualifier ba yun? Bulalo ng Tagaytay.
Bulalo ng Tagaytay.
Yun ang naisip ko. Inaccessible na crowd pleaser.
Inaccessible. Yeah, definitely
diba?
Inaccessible. Kasi also sa bulalo, kailangan mo talaga yung matagal na pagpakulo with the bones. As in with the bone marrow and everything. So, you need a big pot.
Yeah.
Hindi mo yan pwede gawin sa condo mo na pwede rin yung mga short rib.
Challenge siya.
Pero,
So, less accessible nga siya.
yes. Definitely.
Hindi siya...
In the less accessible axis. But in terms of flavor, definitely in the positive side siya.
Diba?
Crowd pleaser. Mas acceptable.
Acceptable.
Or by the general palate.
Kasi pupuntahan siya Ang dami ng friends na nagtagaytay lang kami para sa bulalo.
Yeah.
Ganun
Fair.
siya ka
Yeah.
Okay. So, sorry. What was the...
Repeat order ba? Isang adobo, dalawang sinigang,
sisig po,
pusit, medium rare.
lengua po. Pero niche lang.
Dami ng sina.
Ang dami na dami nang in-order Tatlo lang tayo
Okay, bulalo.
It's a
Crowd
feast.
pleaser na rare.
Crowd pleaser rare. Pero hindi siya super rare.
Crowd pleaser.
It's like here.
Hindi ba siya super rare?
Lechon. Why are we not putting lechon?
Wait, gano'n siya crowd pleaser? Less than
Yung
sinigang.
Ay, sorry.
Bulalo.
Crowd pleaser.
Saan tayo sa...
Feel ko
Bulalo.
50 percentile. 50th percentile.
I think bulalo, I'll put it even close. Yeah, mga halfway.
Halfway.
Halfway lang.
Ito siya.
Yeah. Kasi
Okay.
parang if hindi mo gusto yung meat, even at least kukunin mo yung sabaw. Sama mo sa rice mo. Diba?
Okay. Okay, lechon.
Lechon.
Ay.
Rare din. Rare crowd
Rare
pleaser
crowd
din
Rare
yun
crowd
eh.
pleaser
Rare
din
crowd
yan.
pleaser din
Yes,
siya.
I agree. But I think it's more crowd pleaser than bulalo.
I
That's
think
true.
so
That's
too.
true. Like,
Ang
it's
piyesta
built
yun
for crowds
It's
talaga.
built literally. Hindi ka nagle-lechon na.
Literally for a
mag-isa.
crowd.
Yung paalang ng lechon. yung paalang ng pig.
Lulutuin mo diba?
Oo, yun yung ilelechon.
Okay. So, more crowd pleasing, more rare.
More rare.
Rare.
Kasi
mahirap
siyang
siya.
ihanda.
So, kasing crowd pleaser
Or
na
effort
Effort
siyang
yan.
ihanda.
You really, kailangan mo ng buong baboy. Hindi kagaya sa liempo na pwede mo i-prepare or adobo para...
hindi mo yan mabibili sa supermarket.
Wala sa supermarket. Okay,
Ayun,
fair.
tama.
Okay, good. Okay, kasing crowd pleaser niya ba yung adobo?
No.
Less pa? So, kasing crowd pleaser yung sinigang?
Talaga? Kasi
Parang more.
Pag pumunta sa parties may lechon, parang wow.
Everyone's
shit, may lechon.
Yeah.
Diba? You wouldn't say that, ay shit, may adobo, nice.
You know, kung pleasing lang naman for a crowd.
For a crowd.
Definitely.
Oo.
Yeah.
I would dethrone it sa crowd pleasing. Kung audience impact ang usapan.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, ano yung metric ba natin? Is it
more people
gano'ng
would
karaming,
like it?
so like percentage ng population na may
right?
gusto.
Yeah, based on our feel. Again, dito hindi kami nag-research.
Not data backed.
Hindi to hard science.
Pero based on lang namin yung kilala. So, I would put adobo versus lechon.
Crowd pleasing.
Mas
Sino
crowd
mas
pleasing si
pleaser?
adobo.
I feel the same way actually.
Although mas
Talaga?
highlight, pero mas I know more people with strong feelings about lechon.
Lechon.
Oo nga,
In the
yun yung
negative
point
sense.
ko.
Also in the negative sense.
Yung point ko, mas may dating kasi siya.
May dating. For those who...
Special siya eh.
Oo. May dating talaga. Like, wow.
Or baka point yun, mas points yun sa rareness, sa rarity.
Rarity.
Hindi siya dapat pumuntang points sa crowd please.
Yeah.
Kasi impressed ka kasi, oh my God,
uy,
ngayon
may
lang
lechon.
ako makakalechon.
So, I would say less than adobo.
Okay.
Sige.
I concede.
Anong mas
Less
mataas
than sinigang.
crowd pleasing? Bulalo or lechon?
Parang lechon.
Lechon.
Just a bit.
Lechon.
I would say
A little bit.
A little bit.
Same.
Pero more rare. O, di sige. Yan
Uh-huh.
natin siya. O, yan. Gano'n ka-rare? Gano'n siya
Hindi
ka-rare?
sobrang rare.
Mga halfway.
Sorry.
Halfway.
Oh, yan na pala.
Ganyan. Mas rare lang.
A rice or...
Bulalers.
Yeah.
Okay. Sige. Lechon. Okay.
Okay.
Common na niche.
Common na niche.
Common na niche.
Ano? Ay, pero hindi siya ulam. Ano yun? Yung... mga laman loob.
Common na niche. Mahirap din eh. Nag-iisip talaga ako.
Common, tas wala masyado may gusto.
Yung nagbe-brain fart ako.
Ano to?
Pero hindi siya ulam.
Isaw.
Not...
Gaganon, yung ganong type.
Pwede mo naman...
Feel ko common na niche.
So, papaitan, mga ganun.
Papaitan. Okay, papaitan.
What's that? I don't know what that is.
Laman loob.
Laman loob na may konting...
maasim
din
na
na profile.
Google it, sir.
Okay. Sige. Pero papaitan, I would say, pero hindi rin siya common eh.
As an
nasa
uncultured
rare siya eh.
Parang same din yan as kare-kare kasi ano rin.
Oo nga.
Hindi ko yan alam. Hindi ko yan...
Beef innards din siya eh.
Mahanap ko ba yan sa karinderya?
Some do.
Usually.
Images.
And ilok... Yeah. Yan. So, mga internal
uncultured lang ako.
Pero, yung papaitan, mas natitikman ko siya sa, probinsya. Yeah.
Ilocos yung origin?
Talaga?
I'm not sure.
Papaitan. Well, merong similar.
Pero maraming version na rin.
Oo, marami na nga.
I see.
Yeah.
I wouldn't put her sa sobrang common. I wouldn't say.
It's rare din eh. Kasi Leonard siya eh.
Common na
so, kare-kare.
So, it's like kare-kare. Yung kare-kare nasa crowd pleaser. So, I think mas mababa. Like, not everyone likes papaitan.
Same as dinuguan?
Atay. Common na niche, feel ko.
So, like, igado, ganun.
Anong igado?
Yung igado.
Igado is like, yung puro atay.
Ay, ako, atay. Generally.
Just liver. As in, yung grilled na atay, yun ba yung iniisip mo?
Like, saang dish?
Like, just that.
Atay?
Oh.
Liver.
Liver.
Atay only.
Pero
atay only.
anong luto sa liver?
I'm the worst person to ask.
Igado. Google natin.
Igado. I would say igado is...
Igado.
Igader.
Hindi yan accessible eh.
Hindi nga eh.
Pero igado is parang papuntang menudo class.
Hindi yan.
Ano pa ba yung mga innards? Yun ba yung natin?
Ilocano din yung igado eh.
Talaga? So, puro Ilocano dish pala yung nilalabas ko.
Pero hindi. I've seen it din naman. Hindi naman siya foreign sa akin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Common na niche. Sayang kasi feeling ko balot lang yung mapapasok natin dun eh.
Common ba yun?
Parang.
It is so common.
Okay.
Like, street food siya eh.
Baka hindi ko lang siya inahanap.
Humba. Sige, while nag-iisip pa, humba. I'll put it more...
accessible?
More popular yan kasi sweet eh. It's a straightforward na flavor.
Hindi pa ako nakatikim though.
What's humba?
Para sweeter na adobo.
Oh, shit.
Yun yung... this is not to... parang diminish yung mga nila, yung pagkakaiba. Pero for those na hindi nakakano.
Yes.
Sweeter.
What is that?
Very popular siya sa Visayas. So, rin, toyo. Yung toyo
Crowd
din.
pleaser.
Pero sugar. Lagyan ng sugar.
Humba.
Tamis.
Crowd pleaser siya.
Ang dami kong nalalearn today.
Pero rare kasi
yun nga.
wala dito sa Luzon. Sure. Meron-ish. Pero kaya siyang
mangilan-ngilan
na
may nagsaserve. But I guess feeling ko yung mga nagsaserve nun from mga galing Visayas area.
I see.
Okay.
Pero
Okay.
Hindi siya super crowd pleaser. So, ka-level niya si sinigang na shrimp? Crowd pleasing? Or kare-kare?
Toyo ba?
I would say flavor niya. Well, kung sa amin talaga, parang kung even mga fiesta sinuserve talaga humba. Oo.
So, crowd pleasing?
Crowd pleaser siya.
Level ni sinigang / sisig.
Yeah. And I would also say na popular din with kids kasi it's not a really complicated
I see. So, we put it more rare but nasa crowd pleaser pa rin siya. Okay.
But not super rare kasi naman siya pork din naman.
So, same level ni lechon?
Braised pork.
Ish. Accessibility wise, less.
More.
Bulalo.
Enough.
Same level ni bulalo.
Pwede.
Oh, magka-same sila. Ano natin. Anong mas crowd pleasing? Bulalo or humba?
Wala akong opinion dito.
Hindi ko pa rin na-try Kaya si Drew nagsasabi. Represent the entire Visayas region. More crowd pleaser. So, okay.
So, wala rin tayong nakalagay sa common niche.
Wala pa.
I think we can't force it in. Kung ganun, if we think about yung mga, hindi mo siya mafo-force kasi,
it's a bad skill.
Kasi hindi tayo pwede maghanap para lang ma-fill out. We have to think, ano yung food, tas place it.
Oh, I disagree. I think to make it a good scale, kailangan something exists there.
Try natin i-explore.
Baka kasi wala.
I think hindi lang, baka hindi lang tayo ganun ka,
or possible
adventurous.
Limitation of the study.
Limitation of the knowledge.
Yeah.
Things like, chicken feet.
Chicken feet is, pwede ginagawa siyang ulam. Common pero niche.
Yun na.
Ay, ang dali
chicken
naman
feet
nito.
Chicken feet.
But
it's not as niche.
I wouldn't eat it.
Yeah, but it's
I also don't
below
dinuguan. Below din.
Yun.
Yeah. So common.
Pero
common.
Not common kasi
common siya.
kung saan minaprinitong manok, may mga paa.
Ito na. Chicken feet.
Ganun talaga.
Yun. Gusto ko lang na I wanted parang representation.
And each quadrant, no? Kasi nandito tayo
I guess kasi
yung extreme. Hindi naman.
Pero kasi yung inisip natin, yung we're getting it from yung mga ulam na tinatry natin or na-try natin. So yun, yung mga Ilocano dishes na kinalakihan mo. So parang it's part of it. It's part of it.
Nilalagay ko lang yung mga kinakain ng dad ko
Go.
Yung gawin ganyan, chicken feet, labong. Ano mo yun?
What's labong?
Like I think shoots? Bamboo shoots?
Bamboo shoots. Pero
mabaho siya. Kaya parang hindi ko siya kaya talagang isikmura.
It's not
I get it.
Labong.
Do we start putting
stanky stuff?
Yeah. Do we start putting other I think marami pa. This could be, we could continue
Part
building
2.
on this, no?
Yeah, feel ko itaas din natin yung scale para may mahanap. Lakihan natin scope. So like, kahit not ulam.
Hindi. Pero kasi starting muna tayo. Just to introduce the concept.
Masaya na ako dyan.
So far, sige. Marami pang, definitely, I think a lot of the listeners will be like, marami pang kulang, we should add this, ganyan. So, we would love to hear yung mga other dishes, mga ulam, not dishes, sorry.
Ano ba? Dinefine na natin yun
Yung mga ulam na you want us to add in this chart and maybe we can have another episode to just continue and maybe change yung mga position ng iba.
Pwede.
After
may
getting
review
more.
Pala, no?
May review process. Change is natural.
Yeah.
Change.
Wow.
Change is nature.
Depende gano'n ka-violent ang
nothing
reaction.
is constant but change. Kasi again, this is preference. It's based on what we hear.
Based on what we hear, what we know. Malaking limitation yun. What we know.
Yeah. So at least may representation from Ilocos, from Sam, ako from a bit from Visayas din. So
Central
from Manila.
National Capital Region.
Represent. City girl or city world. City food.
Yeah, so we hope to build on this, add some more stuff. I hope this episode was also fun as an exercise din. Parang as we bring up mga food na, or maybe na-discover kayong bagong mga ulam.
Marami akong na-learn.
Ikaw, anything you learned from this?
ano yung sinabi mo kanina? Yung bamboo shoots.
Bamboo shoots.
Labong.
Labong.
Ikaw, stuff na ano?
Lahat, humba, yung... Ano ba yung atay?
Liver, igado.
Agoda. Sorry, not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Joke lang.
Yeah, so hopefully you got to learn more things and a different way din to look at food na hindi lang, this is my favorite or this is the least favorite.
So next
Think
time,
about the accessibility, gaano kahirap gawin, yung ingredients, paano i-source. Because so far merong pattern na nakikita. Like,
Medyo linear.
Isasubmit natin
we'll place it here. Of course, we're gonna share it and all of that. So,
ito na ang ground truth for the moment.
Yeah.
Unless you violently
dinuguan
react.
is the center of our system.
Yeah.
For now.
Hindi, hard truth yun.
Hard truth. Alright. So, this was fun. Just learning about different... Defining ulam. Nagutom. Medyo ano na nga eh. Defining ulam. Ano pa yung mga iba't ibang food, accessibility niya, is it a crowd pleaser, ganun. So, we learned a lot.
Ang dami mo nang iisipin sa next time
na kumain ka ng adobo. Crowd pleaser to.
Crowd pleaser to. This is accessible. Mabibili to.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Leave any suggestions, feedback, or any
kung may na-miss
topics.
Kami. Kung may alam kayong common na niche, pakilagay.
Yeah.
Pahingi naman ng common na niche.
Tsaka rare niche dyan.
Or other topics that you want us to do the same framework on. Same criteria.
Bigyan niyo kami ng topic na i-systemize na.
Systemize. Wala. Well, we are stuck in our ways. But yeah, it's fun. It's fun just sharing ideas, discussing ano ba talaga yung placement nila in this chart.
In this world.
Where do we belong? So yeah, thank you guys. This is definitely easier said. And we'll catch you in the next one.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.